I'm Ted Gorski. I'm a leadership coach. I speak a lot about trailblazing leadership. We're going to talk about what it is and why you should care about it. Okay, so what is trailblazing leadership? What does it mean to be a trailblazer? Well, when you think about the concept of a trailblazer, it is a person who creates new paths. It is a person that kind of looks at and thinks of new ways of doing things. When I speak about trailblazing leadership, it's about standing out from the crowd. As a leader, you don't want to be blending in with other leaders. You don't want to be looking at things and doing things the same old way. Trailblazing leadership is all about looking at things from unique perspectives. It's all about understanding and looking at what are some new ways that you can get better results. It's looking out the proverbial box. Don't get stuck in the box. Trailblazing leadership is about blazing those new trails, because the leaders who blaze those new trails stand out from the crowd. So you're probably asking yourself, why should I care about being a trailblazing leader? There's a couple of things I want to say to you about that. Number one, being a trailblazer makes you more valuable in the organization. Think about it. If you bring up new ideas and new perspectives, this is where you kind of stand out from the crowd. So to provide that value means a second point, which means more money. When you look at it from that perspective, when a company sees you as more valuable, they tend to may compensate you more. So when we talk about being more valuable, it also means that you will make more money. And thirdly, you stand out from the crowd. You're not going to blend in with other leaders. And that's kind of a real important thing when we start talking about trailblazers. That's why you should care. If you're interested in taking a deeper dive into trailblazing leadership, I created a show, a 25-minute video on what it is. You can see it here to learn more. See you on the next video.